Today I have an unboxing of the meShare Outdoor 1080p security camera. This is the box it comes in. In the back here we have some of the information about the camera itself. Onto the camera. Inside of the packaging we have a decal sticker here for your window so you can put outside. This is the quick instruction guide. Getting started is supposed to be pretty easy. Just download the app and scan the barcode. Underneath the box here we have the accessories, which include the charging block, which is a micro USB cord, mounting screws with anchors, and the antenna. So the camera itself is here. Have the logo here in the back. Got the connector for the antenna here. Simply screw that on and point it to wherever your router is at. Here's the front of the camera. We have the IR LEDs here for the night vision, and I'm assuming the sensor's there. It sounds like this is glass, and it's an all metal construction. What I liked about this camera is that you're actually able to position, once you mount it, you have quite a bit of different angles that you can point the camera to, so you're not just limited to the up and down movement, you're also able to go side to side, as seen here. So if it's mounted here, you can actually turn it to your desired position, which is pretty nice. And then you just screw the bolt here, the nut I mean. But that's pretty much it for the camera. Like I said, it is a micro USB, so if you need to make it longer, you can just buy an adapter. Connects here, and that's pretty much it. I'll try to post a video of the actual setup of the camera now.